Hey Gotta Campers, Queen Lou here for this week's Gotta Try It activity, and the name of the game this week is DIY planters. So in broadest terms, a planter is any kind of decorative container that you grow a plant in. So I have a bunch of examples I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to explain this week's activity challenge. I wanted to have a variety of examples to show you, so I posted in our local plant swap group, and gosh, gardeners are a creative bunch. This one is a folder holder, so like it would hang on the wall, and it's a metal mesh, so they filled it with soil and planted herbs. What else? This one's a crystal goblet. I think she said it's chipped, but I don't see any chips. Looks pretty fancy to me. What else? You can use classic, go with a tin can. That person left the labels on, but this person took the labels off, and then on some of these, she has Mod Podged other things onto the cans. So you could do that with all kinds of things. I mean, you could do something as simple as wrapping paper, or make a collage of photos, or I think she's got postcards on hers. So a ton of options in that realm. Any kind of basket or container. This one's the bottom of a pallet, and it looks like she sanded it and stained it. You can get those for free sometimes from businesses, and that looks really pretty and sturdy. A lot of like teacups and tea kettles. But then Okay, so now that you've seen a bunch of different ideas for inspiration, on to this week's activity for you. You are going to upcycle something into a planter. So your whole house is your Fort Knox. You've got your recycle bin, whatever else you can find. Make sure you have your parents' permission before you fill it with dirt. And if it's ideally something, you can drill holes in the bottom for drainage, or just be really careful how much you water whatever you put in it. Keep in mind, it can be something like the tea kettle or ski boots, where it's still clear what it was before, or it can be more like the cookie tin or the Mod Podging, where it does not resemble its original pieces. So in the next few days, once you've had a chance to make your planter, post it on Instagram and tag us so we can see it and share your awesome work. Or you can email it directly to me if you prefer. And anyone who does that, Gotta Camp will send you some seeds.